Hey guys, so in this one, we're doing something a little different. I'm gonna share my day with you, take you guys around, show you the new HQ, and if you saw Carlos' vlog, I think you know what I'm talking about. Pero syempre, we're also gonna check out some of the latest tech that I got. Okay, so para walang suspense, these are the tech items that we're gonna be checking out today. One of them is a new vlogging mic because Leia and I are going on vacation. This is the Deity V-Mic D4 Duo. Grabe, hindi ko talaga malala yung name niya. Pero this comes highly recommended by Isa. I'll link her channel somewhere on screen. Now, the great thing about this mic is that there's a mic in both the front and the back, and it's actually rather tiny. Well, it's not so tiny when you add yung mga dead cat. This is to cut down on wind noise. And there's a plane passing overhead. Pero ang purpose ng mic nito is that if you're vlogging and kunyari kasama ko si Leia, magbe-vacation kami, I can be talking behind the camera, makaka-capture niya pa rin yung audio, and then of course makaka-capture yung audio ni Leia. So pwede din itapat sa gusto nyo makita ng audience nyo, and they should be able to hear you clearly. So this is the mic that we're going to be testing out today. I have high hopes for this. By the way, I got this from Henry's. The actual price for this is actually $4,990, but it's on sale right now, 40% off, $2,990. Tama ba? Basta yun yung presyo, somewhere around 3,000. Magiging 3,000 siya with delivery fee. Same day if you're in Metro Manila. So very curious to see what this sounds like. And the second thing that we're checking out today is the Wiko T50. Now, if you follow us on TikTok, nakita niya na yung unboxing, but I'm very curious how this stands up to everyday life. So I'm gonna charge it right now because I just finished running the battery benchmark. So ayan siya. I'm currently on a Black Clover fix. If alam niyo yung anime na to, comment down below kung fans din kayo. But yeah, very curious to see how this can stand up to my everyday life. I'm gonna put in one of my SIM cards, and then yeah, we're gonna take you with you and show you what this phone can do. Alright guys, so I'm in the car. I'm on the way to the studio. I have the Wiko T50 all set up, yung Waze, at saka I have a podcast going. Tingnan natin kung ano yung battery draw niya. By the way, if you're interested in becoming a YouTuber, I highly suggest Think Podcast. Ang ganda ng mga insight nila. Plus pala, meron kaming NAS Academy Mastercourse. Kasama ko si Carlos, si Liz, at yung mga ibang kasama namin sa UCN family. nasacademy.ph/unbox to learn more. I'll leave a link down below, but I'm running late. I'll see you guys in Green Hills. Alright, so as you saw, we're finally here at Unbox Green Hills. May tinatapos lang na meeting yung interior designer natin or interior stylist. I will clarify later kung ano yung official title niya. But while waiting, here's a quick vlog test with the Wiko T50. Para makita nyo kung okay ba sa inyo ito, kung gagamitin nyo for vlogging. Carlos right there. Ayan, so yeah, Wiko T50 front-facing camera. Now let's take a couple of photos around the shop so you can see what photos are like with this phone. So habang naghihintay tayo matapos yung meeting ng ating interior designer, which by the way is Yana, who's one of the resident creators here at Unbox GH, magkwentuhan muna tayo about the Wiko T50 and a couple of things that I've experienced. Now in terms of the screen, 6.6 inches, Full HD Plus yung resolution, IPS LCD yung display. Now one of the downsides here is that 60 Hz lang yung refresh rate niya. So sa mga naghahanap ng mas mabilis na refresh rate, 90 or 120 Hz, that's definitely off the table for this phone. But in terms of the viewing experience, okay naman. I've been watching a couple of trailers from the PlayStation State of Play. Really excited for Street Fighter 6. So kung kayo din, let me know in the comment section down below. Pero nga, so downside, 60 Hz panel, pero for an IPS display, not bad in terms of viewing experience. Now, one thing that I forgot to do for you guys is actually a battery update. It's now at 87%. Umalis tayo ng bahay na 98% yung battery life niya. Remember, naka-Waze ako, naka-Spotify din ako, naka-on yung mobile data, of course, and naka-Bluetooth siya sa stereo system ng kotse. And I don't think na tumagal naman ako sa traffic. I think it took me about 40 minutes to get here. So that is the battery draw. Remember, the battery for this is also 4,000 milliamp hours. And the charging is at 40 watts, pero parang I have to double check it kasi it took a little bit more than an hour to get it fully charged from the 20% that we discussed earlier today. Now, in terms of the other specs, you have the Helio G85, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. Okay naman yung processing package na yun. We've seen it in other phones before, and that seems to be a con for this smartphone since yung G85 na nakita natin sa ibang smartphones na sub 10K yung price point. Now in terms of the software naman, okay na okay siya for me. At least in terms na wala siyang bloatware, it's relatively clean. Pero you do have to get used to the Wiko launcher, and I know medyo naninibago pa ako. It's not as intuitive as the other UIs that I've tried. So we'll see if it gets better over time. So yun pa lang naman yung experience ko with the Wiko T50. By the way, the audio that you're hearing is with the new Deity V-Mic Duo. V-Mic D4 Duo. Grabe yung pangalan ng microphone na to. So let me know also what you think about how it sounds later on. Actually, sa kotse pa lang, ito na yung gamit ko na mic. So let me know how it sounds, and maybe if you're a vlogger, this is something that you can also look into. Pero we'll just wait for them to finish their meeting, and then hopefully we can show you our new HQ upstairs. Okay, so kakatapos lang ng quick meeting namin with the interior designer. So welcome to our new HQ, or at least the site of what is gonna be the new Unbox HQ / content studio. So again, kung napanood nyo na yung vlog ni Boss Carlo, alam nyo na yung space na to. He showed it to you guys. But we're here, very excited to start filming content in this new home for us. Not just for Unbox PH, but for the whole Unbox group of companies. Nakita naman ang daming negosyo ni Boss Carlo. So this is it. This is at least the space that I'll be using primarily for not just for Unbox PH, but to create content for the whole of UCN and of hopefully sa mga brand partners natin. So welcome to our new home. It's very empty right now. Hopefully after a couple of weeks with the help of our interior designer, this will look fantastic. So I'm gonna go for now kasi sobrang alikabok dito and baka ma-allergy na ako.
Hey guys, Carl here. So I'd like to invite all of you to UnboxCon happening June 18, one of the biggest kagad, first namin to collectibles convention. So if you like sneakers, if you like toys, if you like cards, make sure to drop by. Magpaparaffle din kami ng 2 PS5, so sobrang exciting yun. Malupit din program namin. May gold, silver, platinum tickets pa kami available here at Unbox Greenhill, so just drop by or message us on IG and we'll hook you up.
Yun, boom. Panalo. See you guys there! Guys, here to sobrang panalo, limited edition na our toy. For pre-order siya and then pick up sa UnboxCon. I think out of 10 lang to. So I will try to leave details down below. If not, check out nyo yung Unbox Greenhills na Instagram page. I think nag-post yung sina Cholo doon. So check them out. Looks really good. Ang galing na paggawa. Okay, so we're all done here at Unbox Greenhills. Now we're just gonna go home. Hopefully hindi po ma-traffic masyado. And then we'll do some wrap-ups on what I think about the Wiko T50 and the new Deity mic. I hope you guys enjoyed the very quick tour of the studio. Okay guys, so I'm finally back home. It is 5:30 PM and the Wiko T50 has 70% battery. Umalis tayo kanina ng 1:15, mga 1:30. But i-share ko na rin yung results ng battery benchmarks, which is 11 hours and please focus, 11 hours and 31 minutes. So not bad given the fact that this has a 4,000 mAh battery. And then just remember that the screen is 60 Hz. So talagang nakakatipid kayo in terms of battery life because of that. Now, I know you will see some of that as a con because yung standard battery life usually nakita natin for phones in around this price point is mga 5,000 mAh battery plus yung refresh rate at least 90. So there's that to consider. But anyway, I will share my final thoughts on the Wiko T50 and of course yung Deity V-Mic D4 Duo once I disinfect my camera and then settle down a little bit. So I'll see you then. Okay, so bago mo lang araw, let me try and wrap up this video and give you my final thoughts on the Deity V-Mic D4 Duo and of course the Wiko T50. Now, I'm gonna start things off with the microphone in terms of value for money. I think this is a real winner, especially if you get it right now, 40% off kay Henry's. Kasi, again, if you're pointing your camera at a certain way and you're talking to other people, this is a good way na marinig pa rin kayo, maganda yung audio nyo. Now, the one thing that you have to take note of is that it will record the front mic and the mic on the back in separate channels. So I think the right side is the mic in front and then the left side is the one on the back. Now, if you want na mas buo yung audio nyo, the recommended way to do that is to copy your audio source and then flip the channels para again, mas buo lumalabas sa parehong speakers. But again, that's more to do in post edit in post, so I don't know if you're willing to do that. But anything else, sound quality, I think it sounds really good. I just have to do some fine tuning on my end in terms of my camera. This is the first day I'm using this, so yung sensitivity, I don't think I was able to get it just right. So I think I'm gonna have to adjust it in post. Okay, so ngayon naman pag-usapan natin yung Wiko T50. I think it has two big things going for it. Number one is its camera performance. Maganda yung details niya. Yes, there is it is on the cool side when it comes to white balance, but ako, I think that's okay. I would go for more detail versus that. You can always edit it. I'm not sure if you're willing to do so. Number two is the software. Really, really clean OS. Wiko Launcher, I'm kind of on the fence. I think I still have to learn it a bit more, but the fact that it doesn't have bloatware is a big thing for me. Now, on the downsides, yung cons niya, of course, is price to performance because of its processor, the Helio G85, which we see in sub 10K smartphones. And of course, yung screen niya, 60 Hz lang. So if you want a faster refresh rate, like I said earlier, I don't think this is the phone for you. Again, the price for this is 11,990 pesos. If I'm wrong, I will just leave some text over the screen. But so far, those are my thoughts on the Wiko T50. Let me know if you agree and if you like the microphone that we just bought from Henry's. Again, 29,990. So ako talaga, ito yung solid pick ko if you're gonna take away anything from this video, and if you want to para mabudol kayo sa video na to, this is the one to get, especially if you're a content creator. But that's it for now. I know it's very different from the videos I usually make on this channel, but if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell, and if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest in tech, head to Unbox PH, plus follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless, see you guys next time, and stay safe, guys.